everyone. Today I am going to talk to you about mindset. Mindset and how it can help you, or on the contrary, not help you with your healthy habits. My name is Stella. I am a certified nutrition and lifestyle coach, and I help people who love food establish healthier lifestyle so that they can live longer, fuller, and happier life. So today I'm not live on video because the timing did not allow for it, but I recorded this video a little bit earlier. So today we're talking about mindset, and what I mean by that is that if you try to just establish healthy habits without putting yourself in the shoes of a healthy person, it's going to be very hard. Like if you try to cut sugar from your diet, but you keep doing everything else the same, it's going to be extremely hard to stick with the no sugar diet. So let me just catch my breath here. And I want to give you an example of how to put yourself in a healthy mindset. A good way to do that is to actually try to include healthier activities all throughout your day so that you're constantly reminded of your goals. So an example here is I am staying in a hotel and my room is on the 14th floor. And every single day, about 5 times a day, I go up and down those stairs from, ground level to 14th floor. And I'm out of breath because I'm talking to you right now, but it's it's not like a big workout or anything, but it just reminds me permanently that during this vacation, even though I want to enjoy my vacation a huge lot, and the good food, and the Mai Tais and everything, I'm still reminded several times a day that I want to stay healthy. And this is going to keep me maybe from having that second drink, or from having the donut or whatever. It's just it's a permanent reminder of what I'm trying to do. Okay, so I'm here, 12th floor. Luckily for me, they skipped the 13th floor, so I'm almost there. But this was just an example. So how can you do that also? Well, you can, for instance, drink water regularly during the day to remind you that you're trying to clean in your body, and as a result, you don't want to put junk into that body, right? You can try to find activities that you do very regularly that are very passive and turn them into active activities, such as instead of driving to the grocery store or to the gym, maybe you could walk, and then every time you would do it, you would be reminded of that, healthy attitude that you're trying to adopt. You could also just add I'm really out of breath. I also just had lunch, so makes it easier, harder. But another way, would be, for instance, to every dinner and every lunch, you add a salad to your meal, or you add a piece of fruit. Like little things that to you are kind of a representative of what you're trying to reach, and you do that 1 time, 2 times, 3 times a day, and it keeps you in the shoes of a healthy person, that healthy person that you're trying to be, okay? To become, or to stay. I just want you to remember about the mindset thing, and I would like you to go now and think about one activity that you do very regularly. Like, do you take the elevator every morning to go to your office? Then why don't you take the stairs? Maybe you say, I cannot go up 14 floors with the stairs. It's okay. Take the stairs for 1 floor, 2 floors, 3, maybe 5, and then you can finish with the elevator. Just try to find something that you do very regularly and that you could turn from a non-active thing into a very active thing. Stairs, walking, or again something that's very unhealthy, like maybe you drink a mocha coffee 2 times every morning, and maybe you can just have drip coffee or something with no sugar, or like something that will keep yourself in the shoes of a healthy person. So go find your thing, what it is going to be, and please share below this video and tell us what it is that you choose. Okay? And if you feel a bit lost, you don't know how to handle that on your way, just know that I offer a complimentary consultation over the phone to anyone who is really determined to establish a healthy lifestyle. I'll put the link underneath this video, and if you feel like you need a little bit of help, or insight from the outside, schedule a complimentary session with me, and we can talk on the phone, and there's nothing to lose. It will last about like 30 minutes tops, and it can be very helpful. Okay, so go find your healthy thing that you're going to start doing. For me, it's taking the stairs to the 14th floor about 4 or 5 times a day for a week, and that's what keeps me in this healthy mood or healthy mindset. Okay, you have a great day now, and I'll talk to you in 2 weeks. Bye bye.